Hi guys, so today I'll be doing a review on a dinosaur fossil digging kit. This is $3.99.
That's not including postage.
It's not including postage on Amazon, put the link description below. It is a dinosaur fossil digging kit. It's really cute. So it is this set contains an egg and with one mystery dinosaur discovered. Ooh. Jurassic era. Volcanic Lost World on the bottom. So that's what you get inside with the mysterious dinosaur. And here are the different dinosaurs. Don't know the names of them, but those are the dinosaurs. Also says, warning, the tools are sharp. So it says it contains one egg with a dinosaur and a chisel and a brush. Okay, let's open this up. So here is the most tiniest egg I've ever seen in my life. This is so tiny. Oh my god. There's something sticking out of it already. Oh, it's a dinosaur. Okay. So this is the tools. Plastic chisel. I mean, I've had better chisels, to be honest. And a little paintbrush. There, it's a little brush to, Let's begin. To chisel away at it, and when I get close to finding a dinosaur piece, I will probably show you guys and see how these tools work. So guys, I've already discovered something. I don't know what that is. Like this. Okay, hold on a second.
Focus!
I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's hand, oh, that's like the head or something. So I found the head to the dinosaur.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite easy. It's really easy. The tools really hurt your hands though, I must admit, and the tools just feel a bit cheap, but
I think it's that one.
yeah, it might be.
It's the one with a spiky back. By the look of the head.
Well, I'm going to carry on trying to dig this out and I'll show you guys the end result.
I wanted it to be the teeth.
So look, he's already in here, but look how cute that is. I think he is the last one.
He's the long neck one, but he was wrong originally.
Well, yeah, I think it's that one. Yeah, I think it's that one. So yeah, this is really cute. His body, yeah. So I'm gonna take it out, get it out, and I'll show you what he looks like out of it. So here we are. Here is the finished piece of our dinosaur. How cute is he? He's a plastic dinosaur, and it is very cute. Yeah, the tools are a bit weird. They should really have them like wooden or something, because these feel really cheap and I feel like they're going to break, and they do hurt your hands by holding them. But the little dinosaur's really cute to keep, I think. So
good idea is if you get another set with like wooden tools, just keep them.
Yeah, so
they always come in handy.
Yeah.
If you like the installation kit.
Here is the leftover stone. It has an imprint of it, which is quite cute. So yeah, it was very small. It could be a bit bigger for the price, to be honest, because it's like really expensive. So I would presume it would be a bit more bigger, but yeah, whatever. So it was really good. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment, subscribe for more of these digging kits.